Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to speed up your WordPress website using NitroPack. Website speed is crucial for several reasons. A faster site improves user experience, reduces bounce rates, enhances search engine rankings, and ultimately leads to higher conversion rates. Studies show that even a 1-second delay in loading time can significantly impact your site's performance. So, let's dive in and make your WordPress website lightning fast. Step 1. Assess current speed. The first step involves evaluating your website's current performance. Google Page Speed. Insights is a free tool that provides a comprehensive analysis of your website's loading speed. By entering your website URL, you will receive scores for both mobile and desktop versions, along with suggestions for improvements. This assessment serves as a baseline to measure the effectiveness of your optimization efforts. Here's how to use it. Go to Google PageSpeed Insights. Then enter your website URL. Click on the Analyze button. Then review the scores and the recommendations provided. Step 2. Check your theme. Your WordPress theme can significantly impact website speed. After logging into your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance then Themes. Here, check if you're using the latest version of your theme, as updates often include performance improvements and security patches. It's crucial to keep your theme updated, as developers regularly release updates that can improve speed, security, and compatibility. If you find any themes that you're not actively using, it's advisable to delete them. Having fewer themes not only saves storage space, but also simplifies management. Step 3. Evaluate your plugins. Plugins enhance your website's functionality. Now, let's take a look at your plugins. Navigate to Plugins and then Installed Plugins. While plugins can add valuable functionality to your website, they can also slow it down if not managed properly. Carefully review each plugin and determine if they are essential for your website's operations. Uninstalling any unnecessary plugins can significantly reduce server requests and improve loading times. Step 4. Introduce NitroPack. NitroPack is not only a caching solution, but also includes a content delivery network feature. A CDN helps deliver your website's content from servers closest to your users, reducing latency. NitroPack also performs image optimization by automatically compressing and converting images to next-gen formats like WebP, which further speeds up loading times. Now that we've assessed our theme and plugins, it's time to introduce NitroPack. To get started, access NitroPack using the link in the description to create an account. They offer various pricing plans, but for this tutorial, we'll utilize the free plan, allowing you to kick off your optimization without any costs. Step 5. Connect NitroPack to your WordPress site. During the connection process, you may be prompted to configure specific settings. Take note of these options as they can influence how NitroPack optimizes your site. Ensure that you follow all prompts to set up the plugin correctly, including any API key setup if required. After signing up for NitroPack, the next step is to connect it to your WordPress site. Here's how. Firstly, go to Plugins and click Add New in your WordPress dashboard. Then, search for NitroPack. Then install and activate the plugin. Once activated, you'll need to connect it to your NitroPack account. Since you're already logged in, simply click the Connect button and the plugin will establish a connection to your NitroPack account. Step 6. Disable conflicting plugins. In addition to catching plugins, also look for any plugins that modify the way scripts are loaded, such as minification or deferring scripts. Having multiple plugins that perform the same function can lead to complications. It's also important to regularly update all plugins and themes, as developers frequently release updates that fix bugs and improve performance. It's crucial to note that when using NitroPack, you should not have other caching plugins active, such as WP Rocket or Lightspeed Cache, as they can conflict with NitroPack's optimization features. Additionally, if you have any image optimization or lazy load plugins installed, You should deactivate them because NitroPack will manage these functions for you. Step 7. Access NitroPack optimization settings. Once NitroPack is connected, you can access its optimization settings. NitroPack offers 4 modes for optimization: standard, medium, strong. Ludicrous for maximum speed enhancements. Enable the ludicrous mode, which is the most aggressive option. Additionally, make sure to activate HTML compression and cache warm-up features, as these will help optimize your website's pages for faster loading times. If you're running a WooCommerce store, NitroPack offers a specific caching option for shopping cart pages. But please note that this feature is only available in the paid plans. Step 8. Check performance improvements. After completing the setup and optimization process in NitroPack, it's time to revisit Google PageSpeed Insights to check your performance improvements. You should see noticeable enhancements in your scores. Step 9. Upgrade hosting if necessary. If you're using shared hosting, such as Namecheap, consider upgrading to a more robust hosting plan. Better hosting can provide improved performance, further contributing to faster loading times. A solid hosting foundation is essential for maintaining a high-performance website. Step 10. Adjust security plugin settings. For added security and functionality, adjust settings in your security plugin, such as WordFence. It's essential to whitelist NitroPack's IP addresses to ensure seamless operation. You can find these IP addresses on NitroPack's support documentation. Simply copy the addresses and add them to the allowed list in your security plugin settings. Step 11. Review Cloudflare settings. If your website utilizes Cloudflare, make sure to review and adjust your cache settings in the Cloudflare dashboard. Disable any conflicting caching options to avoid redundancy and ensure that NitroPack functions effectively without interference. Step 12. Optimize Google Ads. For websites that display Google Ads, you can further optimize these through NitroPack. Navigate to the JS settings within NitroPack and enable the Optimize Ads feature. This option helps ensure that ads load efficiently without negatively impacting your page speed. If you encounter any issues with the ads displaying properly, you can easily revert this setting. Lastly, if for any reason the ludicrous optimization mode doesn't perform well for your website, don't worry. You can switch to a lower optimization level and clear the cache to see if that resolves any issues. This comprehensive tutorial aims to help you effectively speed up your WordPress website using NitroPack. Don't forget to check out the link to NitroPack in the description below.